The disciples were fishermen. Jesus wasn't a fisherman. He was a carpenter by trade. But the key thing is, and I'm going to hide behind my iPad, the key thing is he was not just a carpenter. He was the Son of God. And if God can do anything but fail, that means Jesus can do anything but fail too. You better get out my path. He's able to do anything because he took after his Father. She was in my path. Y'all just walk with me.